Hello printheads, and welcome back to another Printheads YouTube video, where today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to load paper into your Epson EcoTank printer. Now today I'm going to be using an ET-2850. However, this tutorial will work for any EcoTank because they all have the exact same firmware and hardware, and to be honest, they pretty much all load from the back. Okay, so this is a very simple tutorial, and stick around if you have an EcoTank. Guys, as you can see, I've turned my printer to the side here. You don't actually need to do this. This is just so you guys can get a clearer look. Now here is the back tray, the rear tray. So here, you're just gonna pull this out. It should be the same for pretty much any EcoTank. You just pull this out and then flip it so it is tilted a little bit, okay? Now, here, you just put your paper in. Now you're going to want to make sure you don't force it in too much, and so it just has a nice, it just sits down nicely in the rear panel. So yeah guys, pretty much once it's done like this, then you're ready to print. So also guys, if you want to print a smaller size of paper, you just grab, so these little blue nozzles here, grab them and then just pull them in, and just very intuitively, they will come forwards and backwards to the size of the print you want. It's quite important you do this if you have a smaller piece of paper, because if not, then it might get stuck. You might have a paper jam. If you guys do end up getting a paper jam, which I hope you don't, I do have a video linked in the description on exactly how to fix that. It's not very difficult. You just open up the printer like this, kind of, and just have a little rummage, get everything you can out, okay? So the printer can actually detect when you change your printer size. So here on my screen, you can just press change, and then you can change to a different size of paper. So A5, A6, B5, all of these different things. If whatever your printing needs, the EcoTank should be able to handle it. Obviously, you know, if you have an A3 or something bigger, then you're gonna need a bigger printer. But for anything A4 or below, the EcoTank is your friend, okay? So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. If you have any other questions or comments or problems, feel free to leave a comment in the description. Also, feel free to check out any other videos on our channel. We have guides for every printer and every problem, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. And always remember, stay printy.